So on Windows 11, you can't install Windows 11 by default with a local account. You have to use Microsoft account. You can see over here I'm at the Wi-Fi connection, and it's not letting me select no Wi-Fi. So I found something on tomshardware. I'll include the link to this web page. It pretty much shows you how you can bypass it and make it look like Windows 10. So the first thing I need to do is press Shift F10. But I don't think I'll be able to do that. And then I need to type OOBE / bypass NRO. I'm going to try that. OOBE. I might be too late. I have to do it at the very beginning, so I might have to restart the machine. Bypass NRO. You have to do it as caps. BE. She's so annoying. OOBE bypass NRO. Does this. This causes the computer to reboot. It's a different error. Once it reboots, now when I go to the Wi-Fi screen, it should allow me to skip the Wi-Fi process, and then I can create just a local account instead of a local account to the computer versus using the Microsoft account, which I want to avoid. Again, thanks tomshardware for doing this. It was one of the first Google searches uninstalled without a Microsoft account. This is not a tutorial. There are better tutorials. I just ran into this problem trying to install Windows 11, and I was surprised that they would force you to use a Microsoft account, but not really surprised. This is Microsoft. So now, you saw before this was missing. I don't have internet. I can just go ahead with I don't have an internet connection. Continue without internet again. And now I can put in my local account name. That's it. Easy peasy with Windows 11.